Hey guys, it's Kim, and with the new year approaching, I wanted to just show you what I'm using for my planner this year. I have a Chic Sparrow leather traveler's notebook, and this is a used old version I got for $18 online, but it's absolutely beautiful and I'm super excited to be using it. So all the inserts and everything I made myself because I just want to make sure I'm saving money, and I actually like the system that I'm using. And I just printed out these inserts and then decorated them using stickers from Michaels. I got them on clearance and they have a theme for each month. Makes decorating really easy, and I've just played around with some fonts. I got to June and then I'll finish the rest of the calendar later. So I like to keep a really thin notebook, so I am only printing out the number of pages for my weekly spreads for each month. I've been playing around with weekly spreads this last month and I'm really happy with how this is going. So I like to have a spot for my appointments and then a spot for my lists each day, as well as just a little habit tracker and meal planning for the week. The end of the month I have a January to-dos list, so I can reference that when I'm making my daily to-do lists, as well as just some broad goals that I want to kind of try to do. This insert here is actually from Michaels, just blank paper, and I use this as all my random to-do lists and notes and things that I want to keep track of, and just pretty much brain dumps and things that don't really fit in the weekly spread, but I do want to keep track of them. And at the very end, I have this little pocket folder, also from Michaels, and I decorated it with some craft paper and other pockets. And inside right now, I just have my grocery shopping list, and then I clip just this paper clip on it with a pen for my pen loop. And on the back, I have a couple pockets. I have a picture of my daughter. I need to get a picture in the other side for my other daughter. So that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more of this type of video from me, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe.